What is up? It's your boy Aing and bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today I got a sad one or a good one, depending on what way you look at it. But I'm going to be talking about 3 reasons why modifying your Toyota Tacoma is not for the everyday average Joe. Good or bad news. Maybe this will push you over the edge to just go ahead and start modifying your truck, or your girlfriend, wife, spouse may hear me talking about this and stop you from modifying your truck. So if you're at all interested, if you're on the edge, you don't know if you should or you shouldn't modify your truck, this video will help you out, I promise. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. But before we do, you already know you gotta leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. We're so close to 2,000 subscribers, and if you like it, YouTube will pump it up in the algorithm, and then someone else will see this conversation that I'm having with you, but now I'm having it with them about you liking the video. It's the circle of life. Let's go ahead and get this show on the road. Me personally, I have a 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4. I've done quite a bit of modifications to it. Not enough, some may say. Too many, others will say. I have done everything to my truck, absolutely everything except for the alignment. From installing a lift kit, little mods, Viper cuts, everything. I did it. I have experience. Not like I own some 2015 Subaru Outback talking about modifying a Tacoma. I live this, I know this, and I experienced it. We're gonna go over 3 things that I think are very important that you should listen to and take into consideration. As someone else told me, I did what?
I did not take it into consideration.
Now I'm paying the price. Let's talk about the number 1 thing that an everyday average Joe should take into consideration. There is money to be spent. Let's say you're getting into this. You want to buy a lift kit? Go ahead, buy the lift kit. Are you going to install it on your own? Yes. Okay, cool, you save your money there, but probably are going to mess something up. And by probably, I mean you are, because there's something always that goes wrong.
Then you have to get an alignment, more money spent. You get new tires and wheels, money on wheels and tires, plus the mounting balancing.
Then you have to pay for the TPMS sensors, then you have to pay a disposal fee on tires. Long story short, if you look at one thing, there is like 3 more costs coming behind it. Lifting my Tacoma, people in the comment section are like, did you replace the needle bearing? No, am I supposed to do that? I don't know. They say it gives you issues, they say it doesn't. I don't know. Me personally, haven't had any issues, so money is a problem for the everyday average Joe. I'm not struggling financially, but I'm also not living lavish. If you have other goals and other things you want to do, spending money on your truck isn't something you want to do. And once you finish that beautiful lift, you got your beautiful 33, if you go psycho, maybe even get 35-inch tires on your Tacoma. Tacoma's all nice and dandy, you're living the life. Go out for, you want to get a McChicken. Maybe you're into that. By the time you get home, you're on empty. And what I mean by that is, it swallows gas like no other. Before I get into number 2, all of these intertwine with each other, and they intertwine very hard and seriously. So keep that in mind. Number 2, something is going to go wrong. I promise you, something will go wrong in the most unexpected time, and you have to be prepared for it. In my case, I installed something wrong doing my lift kit. So what does that do? That makes my truck undrivable. I'm not supposed to drive it because it's not safe, not only for me, but for other people on the road. Do you have another car to drive? Yes or no? If you don't, you're screwed. If you do, good. I work from home, so I didn't need another car. Then I have to drive my truck, fix it, hope I can take it back to the shop and get it fixed. Other people have issues with their batteries. So let's say you install rock lights. Let's say you install interior LED light. You turn on your truck and everything flickers. Not because you installed something wrong, but because your battery is just not strong enough. It wasn't meant for those extra voltages is this? To be taken out, if that makes any sense. So remember this one, very, very true. Something is going to go wrong. It's not about if, it's about when something will go wrong. You better be prepared because homie is coming. Number 3, this one is so very, very important. It takes a lot of time. Not only to get everything scheduled, planned, organized, it takes a lot more to actually execute. I had my lift kit sitting 2 weeks, had my tires and wheels sitting another 1.5 weeks. Then to get my lift kit done, it took around 4 or 5 hours, so that's not that bad, but then it wasn't done properly. So I waited another 3-4 days, then I got it done. Then I had to go get an alignment. I kid you not, spent 6-7 days in an alignment shop not being able to get it done. Then I had to go like an hour and so away, 2 different days to get that finally organized. To sum that up, that was a lot of days. It is not worth it if you're an average Joe. If you have kids, if you have other responsibilities, I couldn't even imagine what someone who actually has responsibilities and is an adult could do this. Other people have no time. They do it, install it, get it done, so on and so forth, and they're good to go. So if you're in that boat, good for you. I was not. And I just want to make people aware that this could be your same situation. Those are my 3 points. There's a lot of money to be spent on this truck. Things can go very, very wrong, and it can damage you and others. And also, it takes a lot of time. And if you're not ready for it, it can just be even worse. Now, I'm gonna over deliver. I'm gonna give you one more point, okay? I'm gonna hook you up. This one is, for me, the most important. I am a rather anxious person, I'll admit, okay? I get nervous, I start to wonder, and then it gets to me. And I'll tell you what, peace of mind is immense. I am always worried so much because of my past experience with this company that absolutely obliterated my self-confidence. Makes me worried. So now every time I hear something in the truck, I'm like, oh my God, did something break? Did I do something wrong? It's just awful. So the peace of mind of having a stock truck, the peace of mind of having the truck be able to take it to Toyota and them not try to play you on, oh, not under warranty, not under this, it's worth $1 million and more. With that being said, if you have any other points, any other advice for the average Joe, let it be heard down below in the comment section. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Again, we're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. With that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.